Welcome back. Today we are going to continue with the NCERT Chapter 2 Polynomials Exercise 2.3, which is Polynomial Division. So before going to Exercise 2.3, I would like to show you some introduction about polynomial long division with easy terms. Let's proceed. What is polynomial? You already know. Any algebraic expression with more than one term is called a polynomial. Poly means many, provided it has no term negative exponent for any of the variables. This is an example for polynomial. Now, the polynomial we divide with is called the dividend. The polynomial we divide by is called the divisor, and the answer is called quotient. As you know, there are four parts normal long division even with numbers. I'll show you one example. If you divide 12 by 4, the answer is 3. 3 fours are 12. You will write it here. Take away 12 minus 12, 0. So this is dividend. This number which you are dividing by divisor, and the answer which you got on top is quotient, and whatever is left after taking away, in this case it is 0, that's called remainder. So there are four parts: dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. We are going to do the same method as in numbers. There will be four parts with polynomials too. Now let's start. We are going to do one example. Divide x squared plus 4x plus 4 by x plus 2. So this is quadratic, this is a linear, because the degree, highest degree is 1 here, highest degree is 2 here. Let's start. We are going to write it. Write the dividend inside, write the divisor outside, divide and write the quotient on top. Quotient will be up. Let's proceed. Now, x squared plus 4x plus 4x plus 2. Now consider the red font. You divide the first monomial. Why it is called monomial? Single term. So divide the first monomial from the dividend by the first monomial from the divisor, which is x in this case. You write the answer in the quotient's place. What is the first monomial in the dividend? X squared divided by the first monomial in the divisor, x. X squared divided by x is simply x. Write it on top. Step 1. I hope you understand step 1, students. Let's proceed. Now, step 2. You need to multiply this answer x by the divisor. Can you see the arrow? X times x plus 2. So we know that how to multiply. These two are expanding the brackets. X times x, x squared, x times 2, 2x. That's what you can see. Write the answer under the dividend, and we are going to subtract it from the dividend. So take away, and when you take away, you change the signs of the bottom expression. As you already know, even with the numbers, this is what we are doing. Now x squared minus x squared, 0. 4x minus 2x plus 2x, and you are going to bring this down as it is, plus 4. Now this is the new dividend. Consider this as new dividend. We are going to repeat the same steps. I'll show you in the next page. Not finished. Continue the division, because you're going to stop only when the remainder is 0, or the degree of the remainder should be less than the degree of the divisor. Now they are equal. We should not stop. We need to proceed. Now, as I said, repeat the same steps. Divide the first monomial of the dividend by the first monomial of the divisor, 2x divided by x, which is simply 2. Can you see the arrow? Write it here, plus 2. Now multiply the 2 and the divisor, which you very well know. 2 times x, 2x. 2 twos are 4. That should be written under this dividend. Let me show that in the next page. See, 2x plus 4, it's been written in pink color. Now, subtract and write the answer. So, we already multiplied the 2 by the divisor. Now, change the signs as it is subtraction. 2x minus 2x get cancelled, 4 minus 4 get cancelled, 0. So, this is the remainder after dividing. Dividend, divisor, quotient, and there is an equation. I hope you remember that as well. Let me give it. Dividend is equal to, it can be written as divisor times quotient, and whatever answer you are getting after multiplying, add it with the remainder. This is true for numbers, we know already, and this should be true for even the polynomials. After doing your question, you can verify your answer by doing this step or the equation. See whether left hand side is equal to right hand side. For example, in this case, this is the divisor x plus 2. Quotient is x plus 2. Multiply these two and add it with 0. It should obviously give you the dividend x square plus 4x plus 4, because we know that x plus 2 times x plus 2 is simply x plus 2 the whole squared, which is in terms of a plus b the whole squared formula, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So in place of a I have x, in place of b I have 2. X squared plus 2 twos of 4x plus 2 squared is 4. See, that's what the dividend. My answer is correct. So this is how you can cross check your answer in exams, students. Finally, this is what the answer, x plus 2 is the answer for this polynomial division question. When you take the divisor to the other side, the equation can be x plus 2 times x plus 2 plus 0, because 0 was the remainder. So this is how we will do the long division of polynomials. I hope you understand the introduction, the example I have shown today. In the next video, we will start doing the exercise 2.3. Kindly share this video to all your friends. See you next time. Take care.